Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a solution for vinyl collectors who need a reliable, stylish way to store their records. We're looking at the 8OOKUAIO vinyl record shelf, a single-layer metal LP holder designed to accommodate anywhere from 1 to 100 records. If you're building a collection, whether you're just starting or have a medium-sized library, this rack promises durability, ease of use, and versatility. First off, the construction. The rack is made entirely of matte black metal, finished with a scratch-resistant coating. This means it's designed to handle the daily bumps and movements that often happen in a living space without showing wear. The metal itself is solid, giving the rack a stable and industrial feel, while the matte black color ensures it blends easily with different interior styles. Whether your space is modern, Nordic, or industrial, it won't feel out of place. Support and stability are major considerations when it comes to vinyl storage. And this rack tackles them with thickened, reinforced square tube support bars. Unlike ordinary racks, these support bars are engineered to handle the weight of up to 100 LPs without wobbling or bending. Even heavier box sets or special editions can be stored safely without fear of the rack tipping over. The design also maintains upright storage, which is key to preserving your record's grooves and extending their lifespan. Organization is another strong suit. The rack includes 20 positioning clips that serve dual purposes. They keep your records securely in place so they don't lean or fall over, and they allow you to divide your collection according to genre, artist, or personal preference. This makes it easy to locate albums quickly, which is a practical feature for anyone who enjoys listening frequently without sifting through piles of records. One of the best aspects is the assembly. The rack is simple to put together and doesn't require any complex tools. Most users can assemble it in just 3 to 5 minutes, which is a big advantage. For collectors who want a ready-to-use solution without spending hours deciphering instructions, the detachable design also makes it easier to move or rearrange if needed. In terms of dimensions, it measures roughly 13 by 16.5 by 13.8 inches, making it compact enough for desktops, shelves, or tables while still offering a substantial storage capacity. The rack is also multifunctional. Beyond vinyl, it can be used to store books, magazines, files, or other media, making it a versatile addition to any study, living room, or music space. Invisible non-slip pads on the base prevent sliding and protect floors from scratches, which is a thoughtful touch for indoor use. To sum up, this vinyl record shelf combines function and style. It's a durable, well-built rack that supports a wide range of record sizes and weights, keeps your collection organized, and adds an industrial yet sleek look to your space. Whether you're just starting a vinyl collection or expanding an existing one, this rack provides a practical, long-lasting storage solution that's easy to assemble and integrate into your home. If you're a vinyl enthusiast looking for a no-fuss, sturdy, and stylish way to store your records, this vinyl record shelf is worth a close look. That's all for today's product critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more product breakdowns.